Hi, readers. I have a book talk for you today called Trowbridge Road. This is a middle grade novel, and it's got some serious heavy content in it. It's historical fiction, which I find hard to say because it takes place in 1983 when I was actually alive, but it is at the beginning of the AIDS epidemic, and it's an interesting juxtaposition with what's happening today during our pandemic. I think during 1983, nobody understood quite how AIDS was transmitted, why people were getting it. There was a lot of fear. And I think back to where we were in February, March, and April with the coronavirus, our pandemic, and that fear because we didn't have a lot of knowledge. So the book kind of spirals around that. Junebug is one of the main characters, and her dad has just died of AIDS. Her mom has a mental illness, which comes across in the way that she is extraordinarily fearful of germs. And this is something that built from her dad's dying. And so she's sort of trapped in her house with her mom. And anytime she goes out and comes back in, she is subject to her mom's whims around being clean. And if she's not clean enough, her mom makes her scrub in a bath with capfuls of bleach and scalding hot water. So it's a really intense book in that way. The other main character, Ziggy, who befriends June, and they hang out together a lot this summer, away from the bullies of Trowbridge Road. And Ziggy is brought to his Nana Jean's house, his grandma's house, by his mom, Jenny, um, because Jenny is living in a situation where there's some domestic violence. So you can see that this book has some heavy duty stuff going on, but it's about the power of friendship, the power of telling your truth, of not keeping it locked inside in order to get help. So, if you're interested in that kind of book, it's a beautifully written book. You can tell by the cover. I feel like the cover gives you a sense of how the book is written. The setting is so wonderful. And it does not leave you totally destroyed at the end. I will say that just so you can get into it. Okay. So, check out Trowbridge Road, go to Destiny Discover, and put it on hold today. All right.